up! You took my stuff. I will make you pay. That cat was sold to a restaurant, and it is working now.
If you don't do a good job, I'll send you somewhere else. That cat didn't work well, so the restaurant owner got rid of it.